Hey everybody, it's Mike down here at Seacoast Harley-Davidson. One of our biggest sellers last year was the Harley Audio powered by Rockford Fosgate. It was a huge seller last year. We were chasing product all summer trying to get it. This year we went ahead in advance, ordered a bunch of it. You can see it next to me here. I've got 8 feet wide, all the way to the ceiling, stocked. Speakers, amplifiers, install kits. I got one in my hand here. This is a stage 2 for your tour pack. It's awesome product. Like I said, last year we were chasing it. I don't want to do that this year. I got it in stock. If you're looking for it, come on down to the dealership, see what we got, get a work order set up, we can install it for you. It's awesome product. It's great to hear. There is one more thing that is coming. It is the subwoofer kit. Those will be out in the end of March, they're telling us. 10-inch subs inside your bags if you want that deep sounding bass. This stuff you want to have, come see us before we run out of it. Hopefully we won't, but you never know. We'll see you soon.